This Faceless YouTube channel is uploading their videos from their phone only, and they've been making millions of dollars so far without ever showing their face. So in this step-by-step tutorial, I want to show you how to create faceless YouTube videos from scratch using your phone only and for completely free, and how to actually make money with YouTube automation using your phone only. I just want to be clear, this is not how I do it. I obviously have a computer, but I just want to show you, for the sake of this tutorial, how I would do it if I only had a phone. I will show you how to edit your videos for free on your phone, how to create professional thumbnails from your phone, and of course, how to actually make money on YouTube without showing your face using your phone only. Beginning with step number one, which is choosing the right niche. You see, choosing the right niche is extremely important because I have channels where I accidentally chose the wrong niche and it made 5 times less money for the same amount of effort just because the niche is wrong. So for example, this channel over here has an RPM of about $20 per 1,000 views, so we made hundreds of thousands of dollars. If you go to the lifetime, you can see